Hi everyone, I'm Jeff and this is my friend Mike, and together we're known as the Interview Guys. Now today we're enjoying one of our favorite pastimes, enjoying a cup of coffee and talking about job interviews.
Jeff, are you sure you didn't have one cup of coffee too many? You seem a little excited.
I am excited, Mike, but not because of the coffee, because a lot of people have been asking us to share our best interview tips, so today we put together a list of our top 5 favorites. If you can master these 5 tips, you'll be well on your way to getting a job offer from your next interview. Tip number 1 is that you really need to research the company and the position carefully. It's important to know exactly what they do, who their competitors are, and any current events related to the company. Now take some time to study their website, but make sure you also know the job description inside and out.
Our second tip is that you need to practice. In other words, it's important that you prepare perfect answers to some of the most commonly asked and toughest interview questions. How do you do that? Well, hang on to the end of the video and we'll show you exactly how.
Tip number 3 is that you need to prepare a few success stories that you can reference during the interview. What is a success story? A success story is a story from your past, work or personal life that highlights an achievement and reflects one of your strengths.
Now, tip number 4 is a very important one. You always need to prepare some questions to ask the interviewer. Why? Because it shows that you're prepared, knowledgeable, and enthusiastic about the job. Not to mention the fact that it'll allow you to learn as much as possible about the company and the position you're interviewing for.
So as we said earlier, our final tip is the most important tip on this list. Tip number 5 says that you need to tailor your entire interview to the company you are interviewing with. You see, most people walk into the interview room with nowhere near enough knowledge of exactly what the company or organization is looking for. You need to find out beforehand exactly what the position calls for in an employee, as well as exactly what makes up the company's perfect candidate. Once you have this information, you can position yourself as that perfect candidate by giving tailored interview answers. As we always say, it's not about you, it's about them.
Now, if that sounds like a lot to take in, don't worry, because we prepared a special report that explains tip number 5 completely and outlines exactly how to prepare perfect answers to every interview question.
That's right. We walk you through our proven step-by-step process for giving perfect interview answers in our hugely popular free special report. So to get the free report, simply click the button in the middle of your screen now. This is Jeff and Mike, the Interview Guys, saying thanks for watching. Go ahead and click the button now.